Hi everyone, it's May and welcome back to my channel. If you love luxury, fashion, lifestyle, unboxings, reviews, hauls and vlogs, and Hermes, you'll find yourself right at home here. Today's video is going to be a review of the Irresistible lip oils. I have 4 of the 6 shades. I noticed that they're pigmented, but they're not overly pigmented. They add a little bit of color without being too overpowering. And I also noticed that these can also be layered. If you want it to look a little bit lighter, you can just maybe go over your lips or put it on, a light layer. For more pigment, you just go over it a few more times so you can get the desired look. They do look more pigmented in the bottle, I will say that if you purchase these and do not try them on and think that they're going to look on you the way that they look in these bottles, that's a big mistake. Because when you put them on, they are light. They do have a little bit of a sheer look. So you do have to keep, pack it on a little bit. I am wearing this color right now, which is kind of like a purple, magenta kind of shade, purple and pink. And I did put a few coats of it on. This is what it looks like. This is the packaging. Okay, very pretty. It just says Hermes Paris on the back. The front says Irresistible. And on the bottom, it has the color. They do come packaged in a box like this. I'm going to put a little bit of this shade on top of what I had so you guys can kind of see what it looks like now, but I can go over it some more to make it a little bit darker. Very, very hydrating. It already got a little bit more pigmented. So this is the first one. I will swatch them all for you. So that's this one. Next, I'm going to swatch. This is a red. So you guys can see that first of the red is very light. Let's get some more out. If you prefer a very light moisturizing oil, these are perfect with not too much pigmentation, but just enough. And also I would say buildable, because sometimes you might want to have it maybe as dark as this. Other times you might just want it to be a little bit lighter, so you would just use a little bit less. They are super, super moisturizing, make the lips feel very soft, and they smell amazing. Each one has a different smell. So this one is Rose Cola. I'd say it's like a pinky nude. Oops. That's this one right here. You guys can see this is lighter, definitely a more neutral. I love this one. This one is actually my favorite one. I've worn this one the most. The color will become richer as you add or as you pack it on. However, it's not going to get as pigmented as this. And the last one, this will be more of a true pink. And this one's called Rose Pitaya. And I mean, they are lip oils. These are not lipsticks. Hermes does sell lipsticks, considering that they are lip oils. And when I hear oil, I'm thinking moisture. You want your lips to be moisturized. You want your lips to feel soft. So this is what this product does do. So this is what all the swatches look like. I will put the names down below. All very pretty. They do add a beautiful shine to your lips. People ask this a lot. Is it sticky? This is actually smooth. These are not sticky or tacky in any way. Let me know what you guys think of these swatches down below. Let me know if you have any of these oils and if you like them, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Please go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Thanks for watching.